everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to insert SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, need this pin. If you want to insert SIM card, so just hold phone and you will see pin insert here. You will see and press. You will see SIM trace remove. After hold SIM tray and you will see your pin is here, your SIM is here. So we'll see insert in SIM tray and you will see insert in phone. You will see SIM is insert. So that's how you can insert SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.